Hello car hunter. Welcome back to our channel. For today's video we will feature the Hyundai Accent 1.4 GL, 6-speed automatic. This vehicle is powered by Kappa 1.4, MPI dual CVVT, Euro 4 gasoline engine. It is mated with 6-speed automatic transmission. For the suspension, it has McPherson strut type with coil spring at the front, and coupled torsion beam axle at the rear. The stopping power of this vehicle is ventilated disc at the front, and drum brake at the rear. The tire size of this vehicle is 185 by 65 R15, with 15 inches steel rims with full wheel cover. It has a 45 liters of fuel tank capacity. The dimensions of this vehicle are 4,440 mm in length, 1,729 mm in width, and 1,460 mm in height. It has a wheelbase of 2,600 mm. Now let's check the interior of the Hyundai Accent. But before we continue, please subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our latest upload. Thank you. The Hyundai Accent can seat up to 5 passengers, including the driver. It offers a decent amount of both head and leg room space. It can do the job and carry on a few luggage, approximately 4 large suitcases. With the seats folded forward, it doubles its capacity. On the inside, the Hyundai Accent comes with a vanity mirror for both the driver and passenger, seat back pockets, rear headrests, central door locks, conventional gauges, and cloth seating material. The Hyundai Accent comes with power side mirrors, power windows, portable ashtray, and a 3.8-inch LCD displays radio with RDS. The infotainment system comes with aux-in and USB capabilities. Climate controls are manual and come with a rear vent for the vehicle. There are 6 variants available for Hyundai Accent. You can choose from 5 different colors. With a lot of options to pick from this price range, this sedan is a great choice for those wanting an economical vehicle to haul a small family or for the daily commute. Although it may not have the most advanced features, it is a reliable vehicle with excellent fuel efficiency and performance. If you intended to buy one, don't hesitate to message us or leave a comment below. Thank you.